In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn $28,000 per month, and I got proof. This channel right over here was started 8 months ago and is earning $28,000 per month and $342,000 per year uploading YouTube Shorts. And no, you don't need any experience or even a camera. This channel did not film any of the videos themselves, and the strategy that I'll be showing you is absolutely free. As you can see in this article right here, it says YouTube Shorts creators will be able to earn share of ad revenue in 2023. So this is something you want to get started on right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make thousands of dollars from YouTube Shorts without filming videos, editing videos, or even showing your face on camera. And I'm going to reveal a super secret niche and channel that just went viral and was just started 8 months ago. So if you ever wanted to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money, smash that like button, watch the full video, and follow along step by step. So I'm going to show you how to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money. And if you go over to YouTube and enter hashtag Shorts in the YouTube search bar, that's going to bring you to the Shorts shelf, which is where all of the Shorts videos are uploaded. And as you can see, there's 485 million videos, and I believe by the end of 2024, there will be over 1 billion videos, and there's only 25 million channels. And yes, I know that seems like a lot, but there's hundreds of millions of channels out there that are uploading YouTube videos. So this is a very small amount, and we're still very early to the game. So this is why you should take advantage of this and start earning passive income from your computer. So if I scroll down here, you can see that there are a couple of faceless niches, like here's a Roblox, and here's something that has something to do with cooking, and here's anime. And this video has gotten a total of 20,000 views in 15 hours. So this is saying something about this particular niche. So what I did was I searched hashtag Shorts plus anime, and that's going to pull up all of the anime Shorts videos. It's going to show you how popular they are and how many views people are getting uploading these types of Shorts videos. And as you can see, they're not showing their face and they don't have to film any of the videos themselves. They're just clips of anime. So if we look at these videos, this was 9 months ago, 9 million views, 4.2 million views, 5 million views, 84,000 views, and here we have one for 28 million views. And this is in a super secret niche that's not saturated and has little to no competition. And I found a really good channel called Anime God, and we're going to take a look at their channel just to see exactly what it is that they're doing. And as you can see, they're just uploading little anime characters, little Shorts videos. And it looks like they're getting anywhere from 305,000 views to 1.3 million views. And if we go on to Social Blade, we can verify that this user created their channel in June of 2022. So literally just 8 months ago, and they're already earning $28,000 per month and $342,000 per year. And yes, this is possible because they're getting anywhere from 200,000 to 400,000 plus views per day. So there are a lot of advertisers that are willing to advertise on this type of channel. So how are we going to take advantage of this particular niche? Well, the first thing we want to do is just come over to TikTok and we're going to search anime. And then that's going to pop up all of the anime channels. And as you can see, Anime Soldier, 3.1 million followers. Hachi-Roll, I think that is, 800,000 followers. And then we have Tops D Animes, 408,000 followers. And then we have Aniflexer, 223,000 followers. So there's basically just anime pages. No one knows who the owner is. No one's showing their face. And these pages are making a lot of money, just getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to Aniflexer, 6.3 million likes. And as you can see, some of their videos are getting 299,000, 1.2 million. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab their most popular, most viral videos. So we're just going to go ahead and grab this one. And that's going to open up the video. And as you can see, it's literally just an anime girl and she's handing over a cup. And now what you're going to see is there's a watermark here. And what we want to do is get rid of this watermark, make it copyright free, and make it our own. So what you want to do is just copy this link. And then you want to go to a website like Snaptic and you just want to paste that in to get rid of the watermark. And then you're going to click download. And as you can see, this website is going to download our video without the TikTok watermark. And now that we got the video downloaded to our computer with the watermark removed, now we want to make it a reaction style video to remove any copyright, making it an original style video. And to do that, we're going to use Canva. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Just go into the search bar and search mobile video. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to select create a blank mobile video. And once you get that pulled up, you're just going to go to uploads, select videos, and you want to upload file. We're just going to select that video and open it up. Okay, now that we got it uploaded, we're just going to grab it, drag it, and drop it here. Okay, then we're just going to pause it and avoid any copyright because it's already got music on here. So what you want to do is remove that music. So we're just going to go up here and hit this little volume icon, and we're going to turn that music all the way down. And then if you want to include some music that's no copyright, what you want to do is go to YouTube's audio library. So just click on this little icon in the upper right corner, go to YouTube Studio, and then you want to come over here to the left column and scroll down and select audio library. Now you could sample this music here, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to select Ice and Fire and I'm going to download that. And I'm just going to grab this and I'm going to drag it and drop it here. Or you can drag and drop it here. And to add it to your video, you just want to grab it and drop it right here on the timeline. And just so it'll play at the beginning, grab it and pull it back. And you just want to extend it to the length of the video. So now you have your music here. And if you want to adjust the volume of your music, just click on it, go up here, and you can turn it down. Now that we got our music, we want to make this a reaction style video so it'll be original and no copyright. Okay, so now what we want to do is just go to Elements. And we're just going to grab a little card here, drag it and drop it right here at the bottom. And then we just want to adjust it, drag it out a little bit. And if you want to, you could even change the color. Just go up here and click on the color and you can make it any color that you wanted to. Let's say, I'm just going to go ahead and make it white. And then you want to go to text. All right, and just grab you some text and drop it here. And this is the way we're going to make it a reaction style video, and we're actually going to get people to comment so they react to the video and you get longer watch time. So let's say something like she's handing over a cup. So let's just say something like comment what's in the cup. Then we want to make it a little bit smaller and maybe put a little question mark in there. So there's something in that cup. Nobody really knows what's in that cup. Tea, coffee, you don't really know. So what we're going to do is get people to comment what they think is in the cup. So now what's going to happen is we're going to upload this already proven to be viral video. People are going to begin to react to this video and comment what they think is in the cup. And while they're commenting, like maybe every 5 out of 10 people will comment. And while they're commenting, this video is going to be looping in the background. And that's going to give you an average view duration of over 100%. And that's how videos go viral on YouTube, especially YouTube Shorts. So now that we got our video, we just want to upload it to our YouTube Shorts. So you just want to go into the upper right and click share and then download and download again. And as you can see, it's downloading to our computer. Okay, now that we got our video downloaded, now we just want to upload it to YouTube. So what you want to do is just come over to YouTube and then you want to click on this little create icon here and just go to upload video. And then we're just going to drag and drop our video here. And the first thing that we want to do is title it. So we'll just call it Anime Girl #Shorts so that YouTube will know that it's a shorts video. And then we just want to copy this and also paste it in the description for SEO. And then you just want to scroll down. You can create a playlist if you like. And you always want to make sure that you select no, it's not made for kids. And now for your tags, this right here will help you rank in YouTube. You just want to put in as many related terms to anime as possible. You could even copy and paste your title and put that into the tags. Anime, anime girl, anime shorts. So just put in as many related terms as possible so that you can actually rank on YouTube and pop up in the search volume. After you do that, you just want to click next, next. And as you can see, there's no copyright found because we did it the right way. Then you want to click next. And then you just want to select public and publish. And you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.